Hello friends, I hope all are doing very well. So this is the view of the Rashtrapati Bhavan where today I have come to visit this Rashtrapati Bhavan, which is a mansion and residence of the President of India, which is who is staying here, which is located in New Delhi at the western end of the Rajpath Regina Hills in New Delhi, which is clearly visible from the here. So Sir Edwin Lutyens was the principal architects of the Rashtrapati Bhavan and President House, and his primary collaborator was Herbert Brecker. So this structure monument was previously known as the Viceroy House of India because of the British Viceroy used to stay in this mansion, and this mansion decision was taken to build during the Delhi Darbar when Queen Mary and King George V, who visited in India during the Delhi Darbar in 1911. So in their memory, this monument of Rashtrapati Bhavan, India Gate and Kartavya Path, known as the British time as a Kingsway at the time which was built. So it is the some story about this, and this is the view of the Kartavya Path, which is also clearly visible from the here because the distance of Kartavya Path is 3 kilometer distance a stage from Rashtrapati Bhavan to India Gate. So already we discussed, and Darbar Hall, which is now there are some rooms and halls which is located and quite popular in Rashtrapati Bhavan like Darbar Hall. So Darbar Hall, which is nowadays known as the Gantat Mandap, which is the one of the room where our president used to sit inside the Gantat Mandap, and in the same Gantat Mandap which was known as the Darbar Hall where the one of the chair is staying kept there for the Rashtrapati President of India, and the Darbar Hall is the same place where Sri Rajagopalachari took as a oath as a last Governor General of India, who was a Indian born Governor General of India, who took oath in the Ganatantra Mandap as a Darbar Hall at that time. And Jawaharlal Nehru, who also took oath in front of the Lord Mountbatten in the same Darbar in 1947 as a first Prime Minister of India. And after that there is also one of the Ashoka Hall, which is nowadays known as the Ashok Mandapam, which is quite popular for the paintings by the in Persian style. So these are the short information about the Darbar Hall, and which is nowadays known as the Gantat Mandap, and Ashoka Hall, which is nowadays known as the Ashok Mandap, and Amrit Udyan, which is also located inside the Rashtrapati Bhavan complex, which is open for public during the summer time in April. And so this is the view of the Secretariat, Central Secretariat Metro Station, which is located nearby the Rashtrapati Bhavan and Kartavya Path, which is clearly visible from the here along with the bus stop. And I am exploring each and every places very well and getting the information about the Rashtrapati Bhavan. So this is the view of the Rashtrapati Bhavan, and already I visit inside the Rashtrapati Bhavan, and right now I am just sitting here in front of the Rashtrapati Bhavan during the evening time because lots of tourist person and visitors are coming to visit the Kartavya Park to India Gate from this stage. So it is one of the wonder moment for me where I am enjoying a lot, and I got a lot of experience here about the New Delhi, Rashtrapati Bhavan, India Gate, Kartavya Path, Rajpath and Janpath, and even the Indian Parliament, which is also located just only 500 meter away from the Rashtrapati Bhavan in the same nearby the complex, along with the Rail Bhavan, which is the headquarter of Indian Railway, and Air Force headquarter, which is also located here you at one corner of the Rashtrapati Bhavan, and the Udyog Bhavan metro station, which is also located nearby this palace. So everything is located nearby this palace only. So it is one of the great place for visit. And already I was discussing about the Mughal garden as a Amrit Udyan, which is open for the public during the month of February and March because of a spring season, to celebrate the spring season festival inside the Amrit Udyan as a Mughal garden, formerly known as. So this is the experience, and already I also visit the India Gate and Rashtrapati Bhavan, President House, Red Fort, and Bangla Sahib Gurdwara, which is also located only 3 kilometer away from the here through the Patel Chowk, and Shivaji metro station, which is also located there nearby the Gurdwara, and Connaught Place, which is also located from here 3 kilometer from here. Connaught Place, which is popular for Rajiv Chowk as a metro station. So you know that Connaught Place was also designed and built by the Britishers only. So this is the symbol and notice board of the Kartarpur which is showing to the direction of the Rashtrapati Bhavan to the India Gate. So India Gate which is also designed and built by the Edwin Lutyens and Herbert Baker. So